So where we are now in our introduction to the Western philosophical way, we already talked about the ancient philosophy and the modern philosophy. We can think in the ancient philosophy some thinkers that we already talked about, like Anaximenes, Heraclitus, Parmenides, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, right? In the ancient philosophy. And in the modern philosophy, we already talked about Giordano Bruno, Descartes, Hobbes, Hume, Kant, and Hegel. Of course, it's an overview on only an issue or other that these philosophers works with, right? And our subjects, our issues in this introduction to the Western philosophy, we talked about cosmology, right? Ontology, right? Theory of knowledge, or gnoseology, epistemology, right? That is knowledge. The opposite of the Greek word doxa. So we are talking about science, reason, that in the ancient philosophy we can say logos, right? And also we are talking about religion, and causality, as well as subject and object, right? So, and now, let's keep going. But before we proceed in the modernity, we have Schopenhauer here. want to talk a little about Schopenhauer because in another course we will talk about the Eastern philosophy, an initiation to Eastern philosophy. And Schopenhauer is one of the Western philosophers that go to the Eastern to learn more. But let's keep our focus because causality is a big problem. To think about reason, religion, philosophy, right? And here there is a movement, right? And the subject will have more and more importance. And Schopenhauer will say the word is a representation. The science is the connection among representations, right? But before we go to Schopenhauer, I want to only say a phrase of the ancient philosophy. That is in the Oracle of Delphos. Know yourself. Know yourself, and you will know the gods and the universe. Of course, because if you cannot know about yourself, how can you know about anything different of yourself?